Etsy is so easy, right? When we first started on Etsy many years ago, we could not believe how easy it was because when you break it down, right, when you take out every external entity, all Etsy is and all your success on Etsy relies upon is you going into the listing editor, creating a new listing for a new product you've just researched and getting it up. That one component there, right, is the key to success on Etsy. Now, a good analogy of this is a footballer, right? All a footballer has to do is go onto the pitch, kick the ball, and get it in the net. Nothing else matters. Okay, when you eliminate every external possibility and an entity and every different string coming out and just remove that and just take it right back to its core of you list a product, okay, and then when you know that that is all you have to worry about, then you just get to that point, right? It's like a mind map, right? In the middle is create a listing. So how do we get there? Well, you do research. And in 2024, everywhere you go is research. You scroll TikTok before you fall asleep at night. I bet 99% of you do. That can be research. You browse Instagram, research. There's products all around. If you follow our method of just browsing Etsy and using Everbee, right? This is all it's built up upon. So what you do is you have your mind map, your part where listing the product is the most important. How do you get there? Well, you get insanely good at finding products. Okay? You get insanely good at finding products that people are interested in that doesn't have much competition. And then you list them, right? So now you've got that, now we're listing it, then you get insanely good at listing products. And what is your listing products made up of? Well, it's your titles, it's your thumbnails, it's your sales psychology, right? It's your SEO, it's your logistics skills. So then you just work on each of them components. Boom, 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 right? And then it's back to finding more products, listing products, right? Back to finding, list it, back to finding, list it, right? Oh, okay, we've got sales in. That's when something new comes in. Only when you start making money is when you worry about other entities in the game. Right? But for beginners, it's finding products, listing products, finding products, listing products. That is where the money is made. No matter how big the store is, whether you're Caitlin Minimalist, right? Whether you're Tom, Dick and Harry, okay? The money is made in the products. Obviously, right? Obviously. So why are so many of you not doing this daily when you're not seeing success? Why do you not have 10 stores you're putting products out on, right? And you're testing, okay? Right? Is it because my supplier goes on holiday for 2 days next month and I'm really worried about that. I don't want to have any orders in because of the potential. No. You get the sales, you get the money, you fulfill. Right? If your supplier's on holiday for 2 days, you make something up to the customers that order in that window. Hi, I'm really sorry. I've been in hospital for 2 days. I'm 2 days behind. Who cares, right? As long as you are still getting your products that have been, highly researched to your customers in a good manner, in a proper manner, that they're going to be satisfied with, nothing else matters, okay? And when you get to that stage, so you're listing, you're finding products, you're listing, you're getting them fulfilled, right? You're finding your listing getting fulfilled. So you got really good at your fulfillment. Okay, everything's on a very timely manner. You're making money, right? And there's only 3 components to your business, right? You don't have any tech skills. You don't have any marketing skills. You're not on any monthly subscriptions. You don't have money going out. Right? You're not cold calling people up. You're not sending cold emails hoping someone replies. It's my second time on a call with this client. Please, I really need to close this now. I'm getting really desperate. No, you've got 3 components to your business. And then when you get to a point where you're getting lots of orders in and you're fulfilling, you just add a bit of order management. Right? There's my spreadsheet. I do all my orders in there. I export it all. Boom. Right? And now there's 4 components to your business and your business is doing very well because you got very good at each step along the way, right? You got very good at listing products that you were very good at researching, and then you set up a really good system with your private supplier, right? And then you got really good at organizing your orders, right? Is this making sense? Because it's 4 components to a very highly profitable business where when you get a sale, you're making money. Every sale you make money. It's 4 components. It's, you know, I don't see what the difficulty is with this. You know, you can't be taking too much on board on your business all at once at a beginner level. Okay? If you're a beginner in this, you learn each component and you get things going. You find the bare minimum that is going to get you going in a good way. And now when you're a beginner, your product research and your listing is going to be pretty bad, but it's reps. That first listing is probably going to be terrible. That 10th listing is going to be better, but that 100th listing is going to be great, right? So just think, it's reps. You're in the gym, you're putting the time in, you're putting the reps in, and you're doing that at each component, right? And it's 4 components to a store, okay? And then you go, okay, that is really easy. I've got this, you know? And you go, okay, let's add on the customer service, right? Because you're getting sales now, so customers need to know. But because you've got a really good order tracking spreadsheet, you can update your customers very well. Here's the tracking numbers, boom, fill that in. Hi Karen, just looked into your order. It's actually just at your local depot. It should be with you tomorrow. Lovely. Everything just works. And because you spent so much time in each area learning it, you know how exactly it works and you're so efficient with it, right? You know what a good product is. You know how to list it well, right? You know how to get it in your fulfillment chain. You know all the answers to the questions customers could possibly ask. And then, and only then, is when you work on the multiple stores, okay? You have this key block, right? I can envision it in my head how it looks. You probably have it totally different, right? But it's listing, product, boom, 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 right? And then it comes in different stacks now, 1 for each store. But because you're so hyper efficient with this stack, running 5-10 stores is not really a problem for you, right? It's boom, 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 okay? But as I say, it's other things are eliminated from the process chain. You don't have those tech skills, so you don't have to build a website, you don't have to buy the domain, you don't have to have all those monthly subscriptions for apps and plugins. You're not then testing 20, 30, 40 products at once, so you're spending $20 a day on paid ads. It's just this 4-5 piece funnel, this 5-piece chain that is running your whole operation. And because you're so efficient at it, you can tack new things in. Right? Work on it. This is why Etsy is just so easy, because everything's done for you. Right? Everything's there. $1 billion company is researching every aspect of your funnel. Okay? Your landing page, how you edit listings, what kind of data does the best, what kind of data you're getting, right? How are customers finding you? It's all in one place. And a great thing someone told me the other day, when you think about it, is say someone buys something off Etsy. They don't go, oh yeah, I bought it off Jamie, right? I bought that off Jamie Jewelry Co. They go, no, I bought that on Etsy, right? It's that brand establishment that's already there. The trust factor's already there. You are part of a $1 billion chain, tapping into it with great foundations, great core features, and you're getting the work done, right? Because it's so easy. At the end of the day, if you knew you were 5-10 product failures away from your successful one, would you be excited to fail? Or would you still get extremely sad at each failure?